Hi everyone, I'm Marina from Frocks Frolics, and we are kicking off a series of videos that I am super excited about. This is fairy tale land for me for the first time. Everyone that knows me knows I'm not the most frilly person, but I have got princess fever now, I tell you, and I hope that you will too. This first one is a Princess Belle costume, and I've got loads of options there for you. We're going to look at the pattern in a minute, but very important to me was that you can make this whether you have just a little experience or lots of experience. So I've got an option for a zipper closure at the back, and then we've got the opposite one where you don't need any closure at all because we just substituted the back with a jersey panel, so you can just stretch it onto the skirt. So both options are there for you. So this is a very time-consuming little project, but oh my, the results are stunning. So let's have a look at this pattern in more detail. One of the first things you have to do, first print off, obviously, using Adobe Acrobat DC. Don't try to print it off from your iPad or your tablet or anything like that. It doesn't work all the time. I have had people that said, oh, but it works, it was fine. But I have got other people that have contacted me and said, no, it doesn't work. And I would recommend to you that you go on Debbie's site. It's called So Easy. She has got a very brilliant article on all of this and tells you exactly how to print off PDF patterns and why you can't use a tablet with a pre-installed system. So what you want to do is either, depending on where you live, measure the centimeter scale, which is 5 centimeter, or the test scale, which is just 1 inch. This is the pattern once printed off. It's not the normal multi-size pattern you get. I jam as much as I can onto one piece of paper. So you can see it here, it's like it's all over the shop. So it's a matter of just cutting these out. We can look at our little plan, how things go together. So we've got here, for example, for the skirt, A, B, C, D,